Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you have already not subscribed, go here and hit the subscribe button and like this video, okay? So we're going to have an indoor barbecue and I am excited to share this with you guys. I am going to be using two indoor grills. One is my Power XL that I am preheating here, and the other one is my indoor Shaq grill that I normally use here on my channel. Okay, so I am also going to preheat these grills. I closed the lid so that it can heat up. To you guys, it may look like I am just opening and closing, but nope. I cut out that portion so that the video wouldn't be too long. So on my Shaq grill, I am going to barbecue my Johnson Bill Rockwards and also my hot dogs. Okay, I have some turkey franks here. Okay, and on my Power XL grill, I am going to be adding my hamburgers and my chicken tenderloins that I have marinated and seasoned already, so they can be very tasty. As you can see, this is already starting to cook. This is my first time cooking on this grill. I picked it up from Kohl's. I think I got a good deal on it because I got some Kohl's cash as well, which was really great. So as you can see, it's already smoking, you guys. So it comes with like a little tray that goes at the bottom, and you put water in the tray. The Shaq grill doesn't do that, but it smoked. They both say smokeless grill though, which is really weird that you see all this smoke, but I want the smoke, so it's cool. I also put some liquid smoke and also some smoky truffle seasoning, just so that it have more of a smoky barbecue flavors. Okay, so I flipped my chicken over and I flipped the burgers over and all as well. So these have been cooking for 4 minutes. That was for the Power XL grill. 4 minutes total. And then I'm just going to go ahead and flip my hot dogs over. I like to have the lines on my hot dogs. If they were on the grill, I like to cook them until they like actually start to burst a bit. And then I'll take them off. Okay, so these hot dogs are perfect. Cook y'all hot dogs how you want. Don't come on here talking stuff, okay? All right, so I want to flip these rocks the best way I can off to the side, just to even out the cooking, but they are cooking absolutely perfect. If you've seen one of my other videos of me grilling bratwursts in my household, we like our bratwursts to be done, okay? All right, so then I'm gonna flip over the chicken and just to make sure that it cooked on the other side, because I like the grill lines. And then I'm just gonna take them off because they're done. They only need, I'm not gonna say a few minutes, but I did cook them for almost 7 minutes, which may have just been a little bit too long, but it wasn't, because they were still juicy. They wasn't dry and very good. Okay, so all of my food is done cooking. I did cook on the Power XL grill, the bigger grill with the glass top, twice. So I cooked 2 sets of burgers and 2 sets of chicken. The Shaq grill, I just cooked the hot dogs in the box on there. I did cook 2 sets of hot dogs, but just 1 pack of bratwursts. So now I'm going to put some onions on the grill so that we have them for the burgers, because we will have the option to choose, barbecue sauce or not. All right, so now to make some potato salad. Okay, so I have some potatoes that I already boiled and I peeled them. I didn't feel like peeling them first, so I boiled them and I cooled them off, let them cool off. I ran them through cold water and then I peeled the skin off. And so now I just use my knife to chop them up. And then now I am adding some eggs as well. I'm going to add 4 eggs total to the potato salad. Okay, so aside from the potato salad, we are having macaroni. That is my son over there, Chef Brown, making some mac and cheese. Okay, so I am also adding some smoked paprika to the top of my potato salad. I normally use regular paprika, but I didn't feel like digging through the thousands of seasonings that I have in the cabinet to find it, okay? So then I'm just using a paper towel to just clean up around the edges of the bowl because we don't want our potato salad looking messy at the barbecue, okay? So you guys, we are all done. We did not add the barbecue sauce to the top because everybody has the option to have or not to have barbecue sauce, okay? That is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.